Hey, it's JP with Central Auto and Weather. It's February 2nd, 2026, Groundhog's Day. Phil saw his shadow, no surprise there. And we'll see another 6 weeks of winter, mostly in the East Coast. Haven't really seen that much here. But if you're still enjoying this broadcast, we ask you to do a one-time donation, or even better, sign up for that monthly sustaining membership. We do have some signals of snow coming in next weekend. But first, we'll talk about this week. You got mostly sunny skies with increasing light clouds this afternoon. And then it's going to be mostly cloudy tomorrow as a light disturbance comes through the area. It's going to be chillier today, slightly chillier. And then warm up through the week, maybe into the low 50s. And let's get into it. Looking at the satellite this morning, you can see two areas of low pressure. And we have a brief clearing this morning before these clouds come in with the northwest flow today, but they're pretty dry. And then after that, we're going to have this ridge build into place and build the Rex block, which means we have two lows on either side of us, and it makes this blocking pattern. Whoops. So we'll have a big low here, a big low over here, and then a big blocking pattern in between us of high pressure. And that'll stay in place till about Saturday, Sunday, when it looks like it's going to break up. So again, we got a little bit of a short wave. There's a low to the northeast of us. That's the weather we got yesterday, and then we're going to have northwest pattern overhead today, but it's going to be mostly dry. And then you can see the ridge start to amplify in behind us, building that Rex block, that blocking pattern. So what we'll see is increasing temperatures through the week. This is for down in the valley. Thursday being the warmest. Possibly, we got a fairly big spread here. Low 50s up to 60 degrees, 59 technically. But you can see it's going to be mostly clear skies, warmer temperatures. But we do have this chunk of moisture on most of the MBM models coming in for beginning Sunday into Tuesday, which is we haven't seen in a while. Long-term models are showing this continued temperatures, but this is a little bit the later part of or midway through February is looking better. We have near equal chances for cooler temperatures, and we're looking above normal for all the weeks looking through February right now, a month out. So that's good. Looks like change is coming. And that change is looking like it's going to happen this coming weekend. So we get through this week of dry weather and see if this storm system here, this is looking at the Euro, coming in from Alaska, and it's going to drop down and give us some southerly flow. This is looking at the GFS, looking a little bit more tight of a system. But both of them are showing similar signs, which is good. Hopefully those models come in better alignment as the week progresses and show this thing hopefully increasing. Usually it's not how it works, but we'll see. The snow we're going to get out of it. This is starting on Sunday. So this is the most amount of snow we've seen. It's only 8 inches in the high spots, 8 to 10 inches, but that's pretty big powder day compared to what we have been seeing. It's going to be less in the valley floors, maybe just a couple inches, but the temperatures are looking a lot colder. And there is a lot of moisture wrapped up in the storm, looking like about an inch. We haven't seen that in about a month. Beginning of December, we were seeing an inch of moisture almost on a daily basis. Let's look at the MBM models, looking from north and then moving to the south. So Williams Peak, I chose the higher elevations just to favor the orographics out of this. So we'll start seeing snow come through on Sunday, but it looks like the more of the moisture is going to be happening Monday evening into Tuesday. Might be a little bit of a cold front coming through there. Looking like 0.7 inches of moisture with 5 inches of snow. Not the best equivalent there, but the temperatures are looking like they're going to be on the cooler side. I mean, this is for upper elevation. We'll look at Titus. So it does look like it's going to probably start out warm and then get cooler as we go. So that's probably the difference in the moisture content there. Titus is actually looking almost like 10 to 11%, which is better snow quality. And then even the Pioneers are showing good amounts of snow. This is actually upper elevation is going to be looking more like 8%. So got some snow in the forecast. See what happens as it gets closer. Hopefully the models get in better alignment.